Well, greetings everyone, and thank you so much for jumping back again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. I am your host Adil Kamran. So I have recently launched a complete technical analysis course that I have uploaded on Udemy. For the first promotion, it was free for 100 people. The last time I checked, 97 people got enrolled in this $100 course free of cost. So there are still 3 seats left which are absolutely free of cost. And if somehow those 3 seats get filled, you'll have to pay $100 for that course. So you got to check out the course. The link is in the description. Okay, now let's jump to the analysis of the Solana. I have done analysis in the morning as well. It was a pure technical analysis, and I talked about the short-term analysis as well as the future prospects of Solana. But when I was passing by, I saw this article came by my laptop. So I have subscribed to them earlier. They gave some good articles, some good writings, some good insights in the market. Mostly these are the news, but these are the good news. So what happened? As you can read the title, that 8.6 billion lost from the total value locked triggers massive liquidation of Solana price. So this is a huge amount for liquidation. You know, even you don't get so many liquidations. 8.6 among all the cryptocurrencies. But what happened here? Let's go there. So the RSI has printed a new low on 4-day chart. Invalidation is 58. Solana price shows a bearish signals that may linger the smart contracts investor sentiment for traders. Okay, first thing that you have to keep in mind when you're talking about Solana. Remember, I know it is a significant coin. It is a big coin. Big coin. Everybody talk about Solana. And everybody is fundamentally bullish about Solana, but there is something that you have to remember. Remember, where was Solana the last year? It was somewhere around $1 or $2. It was trading around $2-3. That's the point where the institutions entered. So if you talk about the current price level, it's $30. The price is still 10x from where the institutions entered the Solana. It went up to $150. So if you think this is a dip and this is the end of the dip, I mean, there are some indicators, there are some things that are telling us that this is the end of the dip. But fundamentally, psychologically and fundamentally, you have to remember that these institutions, they are very smart money. That is the smart money. You have to enter where the smart money enters. So the smart money is around $3. So that means if someday, I don't expect, but if Sol comes back to $3 or $4, you should not be surprised. There's nothing surprised because people just bought it last year for $1 or $2. And remember, people buy Bitcoin for 10 or 20 years, 12 years, and they don't sell it. So what do you expect for Solana that they have just bought it for 1 year and they haven't sold it? Okay, so Solana price may have gone too far. It's $32 right now. The all-time low at $28. Well, I mean, it's their personal analysis, but however, my analysis is a bit different. I mean, I am targeting for this zone. I have told you in my previous videos as well that I am looking for this region, this entry position, because this is a golden pocket on the Fibonacci retracement number, and it is as a significant level for buying if you're going for a long-term buying. So I want to take my chances. It is all about probabilities. Like, nobody is certain that where the market is going to head, but we want to take our chances at this place. At this place, this seems to be a little bit better place. So what's happening right now in Sol? As you can see that currently for Solana, it broke down this structure, this support level, and you get deeper into this. There you see that you're seeing sell-off from this point, from this exact point. So what happened? You got to this trend line and support level as well. You got a bounce from that. You got back, broke this thing, broke the trend line, got a bounce on the retest. A retest on this support line. Tried one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and still consolidating under the support. under the resistance. So remember, whenever a coin it starts consolidating under a resistance, there are much more chances that it can break towards the downside. And I already talked about this pattern, head and shoulder pattern forming in the 4-hour chart on Solana. That has a potential target of somewhere around below this level. So expect a wick that would just go below 22. I mean, there's a possibility as well, because everybody knows that all the smart money, they know that they are gonna buy Sol at $22. So they would definitely try to hit the stop losses somewhere around $18 or $20. There would be a wick towards the downside. It could happen. And talking about the divergence is still there for Solana. You can see there we have this divergence. It's a bullish divergence. Okay, so if you want to trade, I would rather say you wait for this support level to be broken, or you start your accumulation in this region. I think I should write it down for you guys, make it more easy. So this is my accumulation zone. I want to accumulate every bit of Solana if I am willing to take a risk into this place. This is the exact place that I am looking into for the accumulation. Okay, so I think they have almost the same analysis. Even though this article came today, I gave my analysis a few weeks back if you check there. So the central contract is also viable for on-chain matrices, according to DeFi Llamas on-chain analytics. Solana has lost $8.6 billion from its total values locked smart contract matrices. I mean, this keeps happening. This is not a surprise that it has lost, but I think it is a fundamentally strong coin. It is backed up by NFTs, and I mean, if you want to mint NFT, most of the people would prefer Solana on the OpenSea as well on the many other platforms. So Sol is a good option for long-term buying as well. But remember, you should use your DCA strategy. If you don't know about the DCA strategy or don't know about the divergences and you want to learn about those things, I have that course that you can do on Udemy. It's a complete course. It will take you from beginner to advanced levels. So I think that would be it for Solana. So thank you so much for being with us till now. If you like the content, if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up. See you in the next video.